Mystical. Mysterious. Magical. Owls are amazing animals, scattered throughout history in culture, religion and omens. They are seen as symbolic and are usually accompanied by death or bad news. In some tribes they are a sign of wisdom and knowledge. Many native tribes believe the owl to be associated with the realm of the underworld, believing they guide the dead to the afterlife and lead the souls to their final resting place. Owls are said to be silent flyers, but this depends widely on species. Some owls depend on hearing to hunt prey and they are less noisy than others. Owls are mainly nocturnal and mostly hunt at night. There are some that are diurnal, and some that hunt at dusk and dawn. Many owls have asymmetrical ears. When located at different areas of the head, they are able to hear in different dimensions, pinpointing the target. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. They are able to do this because a blood pooling system powers the brain while the blood circulation is cut off. Owls have tubed eyes, giving them binocular vision. The eyes are totally immobile. They can fully focus on prey and have excellent depth perception. Owls hunt other owls. Great horned owls are the top predator of the smaller barred owl. The smallest owl in the world is the elf owl, standing 5 to 6 inches tall and weighing 1.5 pounds. The largest owl in North America by appearance is the great gray owl, standing over 32 inches tall. The northern hawk owl can sight and prey over 1.5 miles away. A barn owl swallows its prey whole, skin, bones and all, and eats up to 1,000 mice a year.